Question 9. The diagram shows the curves with these two equations here. Part A, find the x-coordinates of the points of intersection of the curves. Of course, now for intersection, we are going to solve these two simultaneously. Okay? We equate them. For intersection, I'm going to put this one here in the place of this y here. As simple as that. So we shall have 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3. This one is equal to x cubed minus 3x then plus 3. When I bring everything this side, we shall have 2x cubed minus x cubed minus 4x squared, okay, then plus, because this one is a minus, when it crosses it is a plus, so 3x, and of course this one disappears, okay, so this one will be equal to 0. And then we can see that, of course, this one is x cubed, and then minus 4x, then plus, this is squared, 3x, which is equal to 0. We can see that x is common. That means here we shall have x squared, then minus 4x, then plus 3, which is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic which can be factorized very fast. So the product is a 3. Two numbers, when we multiply them, they give us a 3, but when we add them, they give us negative 4. Those ones have to be negative 3 and negative 1. So meaning we shall have x here into x minus 1, and then x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So by getting all of these ones and we equate them to 0, that simply implies that x is going to be equal to 0, this one is going to be equal to 1, and then this other one is going to be equal to 3. So those are the x-coordinates of the points of intersection of the two curves. Part B, find the area of the shaded region. When we look back here, we see that this one here is the one that is above this one. So we just integrate the one which is above, and then we subtract the one which is down. Okay, so this is the one which is up, we subtract this one which is down. Okay, now let's go back. That means our shaded area, this is one application of integration. So to find the equation, to find the area under the curve, that is 1 to 3. By the way, where they meet, if we can go back here, remember we have seen it is 0, 1, and 3. The shaded area is in between. This one has to be the 1. The 0 is here. The x-coordinate on the y-axis is 0. And then this one here has to be the 3. Okay? As simple as that. So that's why I'm integrating from 1 to 3. Now, the one which is above is x cubed minus 3x, then plus 3. Then we subtract the one which is down is 2x cubed minus 4x squared, then plus 3, okay, with respect to x. Okay, now simplified, x cubed minus 2x cubed, that one will give us negative x cubed. Okay, it will give us negative x cubed. Let me first take off this. 1 to 3, then negative x cubed. And then there is 0x squared minus 4x squared. That means here we shall get a positive 4x squared. Okay, then we have minus 3x. We don't have any x here, so minus 3x. Of course stopping here because 3 here minus the 3, that one disappears. Okay, now let's integrate. Remember, when you are beginning to integrate, take away the integral sign. So I'll put my square brackets here. Increase the power by 1, divide by the new power, that will be negative x power 4 out of 4. And then here it will be 4x to the power of 3 out of 3. And then here it will be minus 3x squared out of 2. And then we put the limits 1 and 3. So let's put the first one, 3 power 4, that is 81, then over the 4, and then 3 power 3, that is 27. 27 divided by 3, that is 9. 9 times 4, that is 36. Then 3 squared, that is 9 times 3, that is 27. Okay, then over 2. Then we put a minus, and then we go to the lower limit. So put 1 everywhere, that will be negative a quarter, then plus 4 over 3, then minus 3 over 2. Okay, so what do we get here? Negative 81 out of 4, then plus 36 minus 27 out of 2. This one will give us 9 over 4. Then minus, what do we have here? Negative 1 out of 4, then plus 4 over 3, then minus 3 out of 2. So we get negative 15 over, negative 5 over 12. Negative 5 over 12. Automatically, this one will turn to a positive. Now, I'll get an equivalent fraction here. So I'll say times 3 here, times 3 here. So this one will be 9 times 3, that is 27, then plus the 5 over 12, right? Because this will be all 12. That will give us 32, okay? 32 over 12. If I can divide this one by 4 and also this one by 4, automatically I'll get 8 up, and then here I get a 3 down. So that will be our answer.